It's hard to prepare for your period, especially your first one. But having a cool pad holder ready to go can help. This one is super stylish. And best of all, you can make it yourself. Here's what you'll need to get going. Paper, fabric, about 8 by 11 inches, 7-inch zipper, duct tape, staples, a stapler, pen, a ruler, and scissors. Make sure to ask your parents for permission. For your pattern, fold your paper in thirds to see where you want the zipper to be. Add duct tape to the back of your fabric. Lay the pattern on top of the backside and mark a line about 1/2 inch outside the edge. Cut around the outer outline. To apply the zipper, flip your fabric face up and lay the zipper upside down on one of the short edges. Staple the outer zipper side to the fabric. Then fold the fabric in half and staple the other side of the zipper to the fabric. Now, adjust the bag so the zipper is where you want it and staple along the sides. You'll want to open the zipper before you finish the last side so you can turn it inside out after you're done. Tape over the open edges of the zipper and anywhere you see staples. Turn the pouch right side out and enjoy! Make sure you check out our other videos to learn more.